all new electric car coming out to the market next year. Take a look at this. This is no longer an air intake for the engine. This is now an intelligence panel. So you've got a lot of sensors here behind this grille. 85% of what you see will be on the series production i4 coming to the market next year. BMW has teamed up with a famous composer, Hans Zimmer, to compose sounds for the door closing and opening. Look at these crystal details here on the lock and unlock buttons. Let's just grab a little seat cover because it's got to stay in mint condition. Can I grab that from the kitchen? Thank you. Perfect. All right. Let's go in. Here we go. Look at all these crystal details here. You see that in the 8 Series BMW. And then look at this. This is an all-new curved screen here. That's right. This is how you turn her on. Now listen to this. That's the new start button sound by Hans Zimmer. Take a look at what happens when I put it in efficiency mode. The ambient lighting changes here, and then you can put it in sport mode as well. It goes into red here all across the dash and on the doors. It's super light in here because of the roof. It's fully open. It's got 530 horsepower. That generates about the same horsepower as a BMW V8 engine. Range 600 kilometers. This color is frozen light copper. Looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Let's close all the doors. That's awesome. Now, to indicate that it's an electric car, you'll see these blue lines on parts of the car. Here on the back, where the exhaust pipes would usually be. And then here, along the side, that indicates where the batteries are. This is basically what you're going to see on the new i4. This is not just a concept build. This is for better aerodynamics, these panels here, and it's much lighter and more efficient, so you get a better range.